The Solana all-time high is coming, and we're going to talk about it in this video, guys. I have really, really strong conviction in what Solana looks like right now and what is happening behind the scenes. We're going to dive into it because if you look a little bit behind the curtain, behind just the price action, which, by the way, we're going to talk about that as well, you will find that there are some bullish things happening. Some big moves are being made. And the rise that we have seen from Solana, from the ashes, from the depths of hell, all the way up to where it is now is nothing short of amazing. And of course, meme coins have helped drive so much activity to the Solana blockchain. But don't forget that Solana by itself was massive back in 2021 without meme coins. But now there's more happening on chain than ever. More and more people are flocking to the ecosystem because of cheaper gas fees, better transactions, better throughput, and less congestion opposed to its counterpart, Ethereum. Now, of course, I'm still heavily invested in Ethereum. I still love the long-term outlook here, but why not have a hedge or at least have some competitors of Ethereum that could potentially outpace ETH in this bull run? Now, Solana has already done its thing in 2021, but there's no telling where we could go if we get the demand in the altcoin market like we've seen with the demand with Bitcoin after a Bitcoin ETF. Who's to say Solana couldn't get their own ETF at some point? And in this video, we're going to highlight, obviously the price action a little bit. I'm going to give you guys some really interesting insights. So go ahead and smash that like button real quick. And before we dive into the on-chain metrics, just take a look at this move right here for Solana. 296% dating back to October, beginning of October. Look at this, 296% move. Could have took profits right here, and now we're in the midst of another momentum up using XT Algo. This is our trading indicator, guys. Another 79, 80% move in the last 50 days just using our trading indicator. Guys, it's literally $1 a day. I highly encourage you guys to give it a look and just try it out. Literally, links are down below. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You guys are crazy if you don't take this seriously, because I've showed you, I don't even know how many times that this indicator that I've had built works. And again, it's a full refund in 30 days if you don't like it, but I guarantee you're going to love it. Links down below. Now let's dive into Solana, talk about this price action as a mysterious whale moves 332 million worth of SOL. But there are some other things happening that are extremely bullish for Solana and for the price. By the way, speaking of the price real quick, we are getting dangerously close already to all-time highs. Let's just go to the weekly chart for a minute and give you guys an idea of where we are. This is the all-time high, guys. Literally, we are right around the corner. It's not going to take much for us to break through these current levels. This is, again, the weekly chart. So we are coming up again on some of these tops. We flew up to $210 not too long ago, and we are making another huge push, another huge surge. Still up 56% in the month, 741% gains in the last 6 months. And our trading indicator at XT Algo is all over it. You don't want to miss out on this because Solana 200x in the previous cycle. And there's going to be some other cryptos that do the same. And we want to be early. Now, speaking for Solana, setting all-time highs. Well, listen what's going on here. Sol investors are anticipating the next price move that could pave the way for a potential record high above the $200 mark. And that would be a local top if we get up above the $210 mark. But the community at large and the whales remain extremely, extremely bullish. The growth in Sol has coincided with some great on-chain movement of the token. So data provided by Whale Alert on March 29th, just 2 days ago, indicates that 1.757028 Sol tokens. So a little over 1.7 million Sol tokens worth approximately 332 million were moved between unknown wallets. Now, in the meantime, Solana is likely to be swayed by activities related to the collapsed FTX crypto exchange, but I think a lot of those conversations have been put to bed. The management of the bankrupt trading platform will still have to sell its balance of 41 million in Solana to institutional investors at around a $60 discount. Indeed, Sol is likely to be swayed once the token hits the market. I think it just offers an amazing opportunity for more people to buy it up. Furthermore, if we're looking at on chain, look at what we're witnessing. Okay, this is insane. You want to talk about a bullish Solana price outlook when we look at on chain here. Data from the blockchain analytics platform Artemis indicates that as of March 30th, Solana's weekly transfer volume for stable coins surged to 364.7 billion. That is well past Ethereum's reported volume of 152.99 billion. Now, what does this metric mean? Well, this means bullish for Solana to emerge as the possible competitor to Ethereum as a legitimate DeFi platform. We're witnessing huge growth in so many different areas. This transfer volume is an interesting metric because it shows you how much money and what's been going on here on chain. It is by far the largest amount of transfer volume compared to all of its competitors on this list. Now, it's also interesting to monitor how the upcoming Solana Saga smartphone will play out. This is something we're going to be watching very closely. The token's rally was partly attributed to the demand for the first version of the device, which has been touted as crypto-friendly. Solana does face several headwinds regarding its potential march to a new all-time high, though. The network has faced perennial concerns about outages that might deter developers. However, a recent upgrade has put a lot of those concerns not fully at rest, but at least it's getting better. And if Solana can figure this out at some point in this bull run, there's no telling where we could go. I like a $700 to $1,000 price target for Solana in this crypto bull cycle. Don't just listen to me. I'm just a talking head on YouTube. Do your own research, but that is what I'm betting on. And what I've been doing with winning some trades on Solana meme coins, I am just stacking my Solana, guys. I want to have a big position in SOL and get ready for a potential 4 to 5x from current price levels. That's where I'm looking. Now, at the same time, with all the meme coins, as we mentioned, launching on the platform, it is certainly a key catalyst. It brings so much volume. There's a call for caution, though, considering that such tokens typically have no underlying fundamentals. But that doesn't scare me. Does it scare you? I don't think as many people are scared by this as they once were. Solana was trading at 196 recently. If we take a look at the price charts, we are still sitting at $196.50 right now as we continue to see some really strong growth. Solana could be coiling up right now on the hourly chart, getting ready for another push up to this local top of around $210. We're currently up in a momentum up swing as well. Things are looking extremely bullish, and I think Solana all-time highs are coming sometime in 2024. I'm going to say sometime shortly after the halving, especially if this overall market cooperates. The demand we're seeing on Solana is not going to slow down. It's only going to heat up. And eventually, people's attention from the institutional side are going to turn not only to Bitcoin, but they're going to turn to everything else. Sure, it's going to start with Ethereum, but what's right there after? Solana, XRP, Cardano, these cryptos are going to get mass exposure at some point in this bull cycle. And what's happened on Solana cannot be ignored to this point. So yes, I think Solana all-time highs are coming. All the metrics point to it. When we get that retail big push, look out, look out. So yes, extremely bullish on Solana. Make sure you guys subscribe, ring the notification bell to get notified when we put out more content. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. And of course, check out XT Algo. Links down below. I've got a ton of other exchanges if you want to trade with me over on Margex, CoinW, or Bybit. Huge discounts and huge opportunities to win some free cash when you sign up using my link. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.